12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, remaining start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
Very happy.
Sounds in the darkness, nowhere, no place for me. I just cannot believe I cannot shake this dream. Real life don't seem real to me. Flashlights don't need help me see. Everyone say